Deputy Chief Minister and Minister in charge PWD Roads and Buildings Preston Tinsong assured to the House that the infrastructure of the police department will be strengthened across the state. Tinsong, who also holds the Home Police portfolio, said that quite a number of reformation has taken place in the police department, and after identifying the need to improve infrastructure, the government has created an engineering wing of the department headed by the executive engineer, and the process of identifying the dilapidated building have started. He also highlighted that in this current financial year, the government has earmarked 50 lakh rupees for each district to meet these challenges. He said this during the question hour while replying to the concerns raised by Congress MLA from Gambagre constituency Saling Sangma on the repairing renovation works of the police quarters and barrack.
Also might that in this current financial year, the government, state government has earmarked 50 lakh rupees each district, each SPs, to meet these challenges, which is on emergency basis, be it the barrack or be it the quarters or be it the offices of the police. So we are taking it up, sir, and I assure the honourable members and also the members of this House that we will further strengthen and we will make sure that the place where the police personnel up to the grassroots level is at least up to the standards.
Union Minister of Ports